Today we are going to see a successive approximation ADC. In this successive approximation ADC, I have drawn the circuit diagram of this. So before going to explain the circuit diagram of ADC, what are the characteristics of ADC means, here you see this conversion, the analog to digital conversion is totally depends on trial and error method, and it is going to take n number of cycles for the conversion. Like in this example I have taken an 8-bit ADC. So in order to convert the analog signal into digital, it takes 8 clock cycles. So from here we are going to give the clock pulses. So this is a comparator, and SAR means successive approximation register, and DAC is what, digital to analog converter we are using here. So the analog input signal which is to be converted into digital one, I am giving the analog signal here, I am applying to this comparator. So to the inverting terminal I am giving the analog signal, and to the positive terminal I am giving the output of the DAC. So we are going to give the input analog signal here, and we are going to get the output, digital output here. So successive approximation register is an 8-bit register. We are going to get the output 8 bits. So D1 is MSB and D8 is LSB. So here trial and error method means what? We can take one example. You take the balance. How you are going to use the balance to find the weight of a object. So like this we are going to use the balance. So suppose I want to calculate the weight of this object, so I will keep this weight into this balance, and I am going to adding the weights. Suppose I am going to keep the weight 1 kg, then I am going to balance it. If it is going to balance, then we say that this object is of 1 kg weight. If suppose this object is less than the 1 kg, then what I have to do, I have to remove this 1 kg and have to add the less kg weight, like 500 grams. Then I am going to balance it. If it is 500 grams, if my object is greater than 500 grams, what I have to do, I have to add one more weight, 500 grams plus I will add 25 grams, so total 75 grams. Then I am going to balance it like this. I am going to add the weights depending upon the weight of the object, or I am going to remove the weights, so that I am going to repeat this method until my object is going to be weighted. I am going to calculate the weight of this object. So this is what trial and error method. We are going to keep on adding the weights or removing the weights. So in the same way, this successive approximation ADC is going to work. So for this, here we are going to give the analog signal here. So this analog signal is going to give for this comparator. This comparator here is going to compare the analog signal with the output of the DAC. So here I am giving the analog signal. If analog signal is greater than VD, VD means what? The output of DAC. Then it is going to give the output to the SAR. SAR is going to set the MSB 1. So I am going to get the digital output as 1, all other bits as 0, 0, 0. That means 1 means what? I am adding first weight and matter. So I am going to give MSB as 1 and other bits are 0, 0, 0. So the output of the DAC is what? 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then again I am going to add this output with the analog signal. If still analog signal is greater than this digital output, again what I am going to do, I am going to set the other bit 1. So I am going to give 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then I am going to compare it with the analog signal. Suppose analog signal is less than 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then what I have to do, I have to remove this weight. So I have to reset this bit. So what I will do, 1, 0, and the other bit I am going to set to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, like this. So like this I am going to add until my analog signal is equal to the digital output. So see here, one example I have taken here. Suppose I am giving an analog signal VA, and for this analog signal I have got the output, its correct digital output is 11010100. So I will explain you how I have got this output. So as I have told you, first I am going to take VA. if VA is greater than VD, VD means what? Output of the DAC. So if VA is greater than VD, then what? The successive approximation register will going to set the MSB as 1. So it is going to give the output as what? 1, and the other bits, 7 bits are 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so here if VA is greater than VD, so VA is greater than 10001 if it is there, then the comparator output will be what? Comparator output will be 1. If the comparator output will be 1 means what? VA is greater than VD. Then what it is going to do? It is going to set another bit 1. So 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 like this. Still the output is 1 if it is output is 1, again it is going to what? Set the other bit 1 like this, 0 0 0 0. If the output is 0, that means what? VA is less than VD. If VA is less than VD, then what we have to do? 1 1, and this bit is going to be reset 1 0 0 0 0. If the output is 1 again, that means what? This 1 1 0 1, and other bit is going to be set 0 0. If the output is 0, suppose, then what it is going to do? 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. Then if it is output is 1, suppose, then it is going to do 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. If the output is 0, suppose 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. If the output is 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. So you can compare here, this output is equal to the output this. So like this, the output, the analog input is equal to the digital output like this.